Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Let's talk about Acorns. You've probably heard the buzz, right? The app that magically turns your spare change into investments. But here's the burning question. Can you actually link your bank account to this thing? Let's dive in. Now, Acorns is all about making investing as easy as possible. They want to turn those annoying pennies you'd normally ignore into potential dollar bills. And to do that, they need access to your money. So, can you link your bank account? Short answer, yes, you can. But it's not just a simple yes and we're done. There are a few things you should know. First off, there are two ways to link your bank account to Acorns. The first is for your primary checking account. This is the account Acorns will use to withdraw your initial investment and any recurring deposits you set up. It's like your home base in the Acorns world. The second way to link your bank account is for Round UPS. Now, this is where things get interesting. With Round UPS, Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. To do this, they need to know what you're spending. So, you can link your debit and credit cards to track your purchases. But here's the kicker, the money for these Round UPS still comes from your primary checking account. So, to recap, you can link your primary checking account directly to Acorns for initial investments and recurring deposits. You can also link your debit and credit cards for Round UPS, but the money for those Round UPS still comes from your primary checking account. Got it? Good. Now, let's talk about the security aspect. Linking your bank account to any app can be a little nerve-wracking, right? Well, Acorns uses a thing called Plaid. It's a secure platform that connects your bank account to the app without sharing your login details. So, your money is pretty safe. But hey, it's always a good idea to double-check their security measures and read their privacy policy. Alright, so you can link your bank account to Acorns. There are two ways to do it, and it's generally safe. But is it worth it? Well, that depends. If you're someone who hates saving and investing, Acorns can be a great way to start small and build over time. It's like a gentle nudge towards financial growth. But if you're already a saving and investing pro, Acorns might not be the most exciting option. Remember, investing involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All that jazz. So, do your research, consider your financial goals, and make an informed decision. And hey, while we're on the topic of money, let's talk about budgeting. It's like the unsung hero of financial success. I'll do a video on that next. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy investing.